Hello friends, welcome to our another fun learning adventure. Today we are going to learn some super cool action words. Are you ready to move and learn? Okay, we have a fun game today. It has two-piece puzzle. One piece has word and another piece has an action. Your job is to match the word with the picture and then do the action. Are you ready? So let's start. Here our first word, dancing. Can you read this word, dancing? Let's find the matches picture with that. Which one is dancing? That's right. This picture is dancing. Can you dance like this? Let's all together dance. The next word is crying. Crying starts with letter C. Now the time to match the picture. This one? No, it's not crying. Here the baby is crying. The next word we have a brushing. Brushing on your teeth. Let's match the correct picture. Yes, this one is the correct picture. Now let's pretend the brush. Grab your imaginary toothbrush and brush your teeth. Now we join this one. The next word here, jumping. Jumping meaning moving off the ground with both feet. Let's find the correct picture. Which one? Yes, that's right. Let's all the jump together. 1, 2, 3. Jump. Well done. Great job. Here the word sitting. Sitting means resting on a chair or the ground. Let's find the matches picture. Which one is sitting? No. Yes. Great job. Let's all sit down together. This feels nice. The next word is clapping. Let's find the correct picture here. No, it's not do clapping. Yes, that's right. Here, that's picture. The boy clap. Let's together make a clap. 1, 2, 3. Clap. The next word we have a singing. Singing means use your voice to make music. Let's find the correct picture. This one is not singing. Here? Yes. Great job. Let's sing a song together. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. The next word we have a crawling. Crawling meaning to move your body with your hand and knee. Okay, let's find the matches picture. No. Here is the baby crawling with your hand and knee. It means that's the side picture. Now we join them. Here is baby crawling. The next word we have a riding. Riding meaning to move something like bike and horse. Okay, let's find the correct picture. Yes, this one. Now let's pretend to ride a horse. The next word is blowing. Blowing means to push air out of your mouth. Find the correct matches picture. This one? No. That's the side picture. Great job. Hey kids, can you blow the bubble like him? Well done. The next word we have a walking. Walking means to move slowly. Which one is the correct picture? Yes, this is the side picture. Can you pretend to walking on your place? This is walking. The next word is bathing. Which one is correct? No. This one? No. Yes, that's the right picture for bathing. Can you speak with me? Bathing. Well done. The next we have a reading. Reading meaning to look at the book and try to understand the word. Okay, which one is correct match with that? No. Yes, great job. Can you pretend you read a book, flip the pages and read out loud? This word is drinking. Drinking meaning taking water or juice into your mouth. Let's find the picture. It's not drinking. Yes, this is the correct picture. Let's pretend to drink some water. Gloop, gloop, gloop. Here the word sliding. You like sliding? Okay, which one correct? No. Yes, it's a correct picture for sliding. Here the word watering. Watering means to give water some plants. Okay, which one is the correct picture? This one? No. Yes, that's right. Let's pretend to give water some plant. The next word we have a eating. Eating means when we take our meal of day, night, day, all that. Okay, let's find the correct picture that's match word eating. This one? No. Yes, this is the right picture that show the boy eat our meal. The next word we have a cleaning. Cleaning means to make something neat and tidy. Okay, which one is the correct picture for cleaning? This one? Not. Yes, it's a perfect picture. Pretend you clean the table. Wipe, wipe, wipe. The next word we have a laughing. Laughing means to show your happiness with big smile. Okay, which one is laughing? No. Yes. Can you pretend laughing? Ha 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 ha. Next we have a word fishing. Fishing means to catch the fish from pond and a river. Which one is the correct picture? Yes, this one. It's not right picture. So we connect this picture with our word. This is fishing. This word is painting. Painting means to use the color making some picture. Which one is correct piece to match with the word painting? This one? No. Yes, it's a right picture for word painting. Can you pretend you dip the brush in color and paint, paint, paint? The next word is skipping. Skipping means hopping while moving forward. Okay, let's match the picture. This one? Not this one? Yes. Can you skipping like this? Running means to moving very fast on your feet. Which one is running? Great job. This one is the correct. Let's run in the place. Can you speak with me? Run, run, run. The next we have a talking. Talking means to talk with two and more people. Which one is correct? This one? Not. Yes, this one. Here is talking. Now it's your turn. Tell me fast, fast. What's that? Jumping. This one? Riding. And here? Brushing. What's that? Cleaning. Here? Singing. Next, clap. This one? Blowing. What's that? Talking. Think about what's that? Eating. Bathing. Crying. Fishing. And here we have more. Dancing. Walking. Sliding. Sitting. Skipping and painting. Here, reading, laughing, crawling, watering, drinking and Running. Wow, you were amazing today. We learned so many action words and had so much fun doing the puzzle and acting them out. Don't forget to practice these words with your friends and family. See you next time for another fun adventure. Bye bye.